Hi there, you want to be my friend? Or not? Okay. I have a new package from Amazon here, and we need to choose a knife. Choose your weapon wise. This one seems to be a very good idea. So let's open this package. Always need the good tool to do the work, and I think this is doing it. Ah, yes. So what's waiting for me in this package? Smooky smoosh. Ooh. It's a photography light from Moman. I ordered that on Amazon. This light's supposed to be a new product. So we will be opening this package and see what's up with that. Seems that we are in need of a knife again. Here's the place. Yes, insert it there. Rip it apart. Don't overdo it, but do it with joy. You have to put your knife back in the knife holder. Package gone. Oh, it's a nice black box. This light is supposed to be of a small size. Let's see what's in the package here. Seem to have a USB cable to maybe USB-C. That would be very good. So it's the Fill Light MFL03. That's it here. Okay. It's made from aluminum. Wow. You've got this carry bag here. And then this is like a rubber protection. Looks to be of quality. And this is the light. So I'm opening it up. Oh, there's some weight to it. The LED video light from Moman, made in China. So there's an integrated battery, and it really seems to be USB-C. Okay, trying to open it. Not doing it. Okay, but look at that. So it's supposed to be, look, oh yes, can put it there. You see that? Like, woo! It's going to hold on to that, so it's magnetic. That's why I wanted this light. So you can put it at some place and then you do your video. You can bring light to yourself, put it on the fridge, put it so many places. There is even a little screen on back here. I will be doing a full review on this light. Very excited. It's in metal. Normally the other lights I have are plastic, but this one seems to be of quality build. I'm very excited to test this out, and it comes too with this that's going here. It's like a little ball, so it rotates. We're going to be testing that. You can put it on a camera, it's a hot shoe. You can put it on the tripod. So for now, everything seems very nice. Nice material, maybe USB-C. I'm going to be testing it, recharging the device to see how it works. So I'm going to be reporting later on maybe another video or in this video to see how it works. So thank you and see you later. Okay, now let's test the brightness of this light. Just 1 second. Dis Siri, ferme lumière bureau. So I close the light here, and now that's only this little light with 5% of brightness. and you see there's an indicator that says how much time the battery is going to last with this intensity, and you have 5,700 K. So now we're going to put it to 100%. You get this little multi-function click wheel. You just hold it up and there it goes to 100% brightness. So I think it's quite bright. And now you see the time, 49 minutes to the battery. The battery was not quite full. And now we're going to change. You click once on the wheel, and now it goes for the color temperature. We're going to get it down to 3,200 K. You see? 3,500 K. Let us go up again to 5,700 K. So that's very nice to have that feature. So I think that's a really cool light, and the battery is integrated. You have the mount here. You can have it mount horizontally, vertically. Now it's mounted directly on the light with my little tripod, but I'll show you later. There's a little adapter. So pretty nice. Now I'm going to do a test and film my face with the light. And so again with this Moman light, and we'll be testing. I have the light in my office that are open. Now it's going to open this light. Okay. Now you see, I think it's at 50%. Yeah, it's at 50%. I have it attached magnetically on my IKEA lamp right here. You can see that. So that's a way to use it. Quite clever. Let's go for the brightness. I'm going to test that to 100%. It's a bright light. Okay, that's 100%. Back with the Moman light. Taking it out of the little bag, the little pouch to protect it. Very well built aluminum light. Quality, feel, compact size. You can charge it via USB-C. Very simple control. On and off button here. You just have to hold it a bit and then it will open. Let's open it. Sorry for the light. Okay. And now you see there's a screen that gives you the color temperature, the brightness, and the time remaining on the battery. You can put it horizontally, vertically. There's two holes on each side here. Okay, I'm going to turn it down because I don't see nothing now. Whew. So I'm very impressed with the quality of the product again, and the size of it. I can see many ways I can use this, just because of the way it can be just put magneto on a metal surface and just use it that way. Just light it up. Okay, and then you got another light there. So there's many things you can do with that light. I think it's a good purchase. The price is $69. I decided to purchase this light because I had bought other lights and wanted something smaller. You can put that in your pocket, just have your phone. You decide to shoot a video. So just the compact size of it. But what surprised me, it's the strength of the brightness. It's comparable to a lot of lights that I have that's supposed to be more brightness, but this one is surprising. So I'm going to be looking forward to using it in more projects, and it's really something you need in your videographer bag. If you do YouTube video, if you do makeup, that's my other job. Now that's a joke. I have nothing against makeup, it's not my time yet, that's all. So, nice product, quality build. That's it. And don't forget the accessory that comes with it. You have the charging cable, you have the little bag here, and the shoe mount here. Put on top of a camera, you can put on the tripod, and look at that. You're all set to go. So thank you for listening to my video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like, give me a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm new to YouTube, so again, like I said in the other video, I'm learning. I just bought some light, I have sound here, you see? I'm trying my best, but it's like very pleasant to speak to you and do reviews. And thank you for listening to me. Okay, have a good day. Bye. That's scary. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm stopping right now. Bye.